It's Makai Copeland with Leon Foundation Repair. Today we have a beautiful project we started. It's a 26 pier job that we're gonna be doing on this house, but with a little bit of a twist. Inside the house is also falling. There's having major cracks in the middle. And to fix that, we're gonna have to dig a 37 feet tunnel to reach the inside to install the piers to elevate it. This is where we start in the front. The door has some cracks around it. It's unleveled. It's starting to catch when they open and close it. So we put some piers around there to get it started. If you come this way, as you can see, just piers wrapped around the house. And we have a tunnel going through the fireplace under it to go straight to the middle of the house. We basically had to go in from the side due to a pipe being right here, but basically we just angled it around, got through, and we're gonna dig 37 feet straight to put the 6 piers that we needed to the middle to stabilize it and to stop the middle from falling. So now that we're heading to the backyard, we get to see the final part of it. We're putting piers right here and on the porch and under the porch to basically, when we raise the house, we can raise the porch with it. But here's the problem with the house. They did remodeling before they got their house leveled. And I know some people don't see the problem with that, but when we do our job to raise your foundation and get you leveled, it can destroy and break the remodeling that you did before the leveling. I'd advise you guys, before you do remodeling, let's level your home first. Each pier that we put down can only hold so much weight, and we have to spread them evenly so we can distribute the force of the home. If we put them too close together, one of them is going to be useless. If we put it too far apart, it won't be able to pick everything up effectively. So we dig so many holes in certain areas because we have to distribute the force equally. This customer specifically requested us to preserve his remodeling while leveling. So what we're going to do is more of a stabilizing. While we won't pick it up as much as we normally would during leveling, we will ensure that he stops moving and that he has peace of mind knowing that his original remodeling won't break due to further leveling problems. So all we're gonna do is pick the house up a little bit, put pressure on the house, make sure the piers lock into place, and leave his house exactly where it's at so he stops moving. Moving along now, we can see in the holes that we dug that there's pre-existing piers. This shows us that another company came out here and tried to resolve the problems that this house had in leveling, but they didn't add either enough pressure or enough materials to hold up the house enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come out here, remove the top of the materials, and make sure we pressurize this hole enough to where we can leave it alone and make sure it has enough pressure to stay upright. Okay guys, that's everything I have to show for today. The job's going really well, so we're gonna be finishing this up by tomorrow. But unlike your competitors, we pride ourselves on excellency, good customer service, and doing things right the first time. So if you want a free estimate, give Leon a call.